Assalamualaikum. We are from Group F, from section Bmma 2/1. So our member consists Satish anak lelaki Ganesh, second is Indran anak lelaki Manoharan, third is Syafa Vika binti Azhari, and fourth is Rozatul Husna binti Rasam. So we move to the next slide. Okay, my name is Syafa Vika binti Azhari. I will talk about introduction. First, in this competitive environment, to be ahead of their competitors, companies started to have a big budget for quality improvement and research and development studies. So in this regard, FMEA has really important place in the quality improvement studies because it based on the idea of preventing the error before they occur. The existence of error means some losses for a company. The most important one among of these losses is the decrease in customer satisfaction and trust. So the decrease in the trust of customer can come along with the loss of customer because all this reason it is crucial to prevent errors before, not after they are occurring, which is possible by using FMEA.
Hi, my name is Rozatul Husna binti Rasam with metric number B0919100082. Now I would like to present of our organization chart. So the first, our CEO, Chief Executive Officer is Satish anak Ganesh. Next, our Chief Operation Officer, Syafa Afika binti Azhari. Our General Manager is Indran anak lelaki Manoharan. And Sales Manager is Rozatul Husna binti Raslam.
Good morning, sir. My name is Niran. So today I would like to discuss this project objective. So the aim of this study is to analyze the ergonomic posture of the vehicles, including driver seat posture, passenger seat of the passenger posture for the front seat, and also posture when filling the gas tank. Using the ruler approach and observation, examine and address ergonomic difficulties with automotive position to assess the inadequacies of a vehicle in terms of ergonomic posture and which vehicle will be more pleasant for the user. And also using the ruler approach, construct a risk management analysis for the broadcast.
Hello, good day everyone. My name is Satish son of Ganesh from Bmma 2/1. Today I'll be presenting the methodology. The method employed to achieve this objective was to use a knowledge-based system to provide decision support while engineers perform FMEAs. A three-step process is used to analyze the data and extract patterns from it. FMEA data is pre-processed. This data had to be converted from free text to standardized text. The second step is where knowledge discovery and data mining techniques were used to extract pattern from the FMEA data collected. In the final step, the patterns were manually analyzed and transformed into a rule-based system that related material interaction failure, mode failure cost, and suggested improvement. So this is the chart. Collect FMEA data, standardization of FMEA information, discovery of relationship, and finally designing the tool. Next, I'll be presenting the rapid upper climb assessment, RULA. RULA is a survey method developed for use in human factor or ergonomic investigation of workplaces where work-related upper climb disorders are reported. RULA is a screening tool that accesses biomechanical and postural loading on the whole body with particular attention to the neck, trunk, and upper limbs. RULA is intended to be used as a part of a broader ergonomic study. The analysis input data are body posture, head, trunk, and upper limbs, the forced use, and the type of movement or action performed repetitively. Finally, the ruler analysis is used to manifest of mannequin posture based on a combination of automatic detected variables. Thank you. Now I'll pass to my next presenter.
Hi, my name is Hafafika binti Azhari. My registered number B09191098. So today I will talk about risk assessment. So risk assessment is use PFMEA, which is process failure mode effect analysis, used by manufacturers to detect potential failures that are rooted in the physical process of producing a part. So here we take driver posture for two cars. So the highest RPM is steering wheel because the vehicle owner is unfamiliar with steering wheel and cause hand fatigue to the vehicle owner. Recommended action is vehicle owner need to change into proper position. So responsibility is on vehicle owner to take action to solve this failure. The improvement based on action result also made by vehicle owner. Next slide. So for the next part is for passenger posture, which is the highest RPM for passenger posture is on seatbelt about 180 because of the seatbelt not fit on passenger and cause passenger dissatisfied with cruise control. The recommended action is to develop new measurement seatbelt for user by industrial engineer. Next is for the feeling fit posture. Also we take for both vehicles. So the highest RPM is while the vehicle owner open the gas door to access the cab. So potential failure mode is vehicle owner cannot find lever to release the door, cause the owner need to ask for assistance at the gas station or call for help. No recommended action needed because the failure comes from the owner who not familiar with gas door release level. Basically, all the failure in this table can assume by vehicle owner who lack some knowledge about the component car function. Okay, for the result analysis, we do ruler assessment for both cars. So for driver posture, final score A is 6, which is very high risk and implement change now. Means that the person is working in a poor posture with a risk of injury from their work posture. And the reason for this need to be investigated and changed in the near future to prevent an injury. Okay, based on the ruler analysis for passenger posture and feeling view, the final score value is 4, which is strong, neck and leg are the main contributor for this score. And this means that the person is working in a posture that could prevent some risk of injury from their work posture. So this score most likely is the result of the one part of the body being in a deviated and outward position.
Okay, in the end of this project assignment, we achieve our goal, which is to analyze the ergonomic posture of these two type of vehicle by having a person who will be evaluated sit in the driver's seat and modify the steering position, seat position, and seat height to the proper and most uh, comfortable position for him. We use the ruler approach to examine and fix ergonomic problems with automobile posture observation utilizing our observation. According to the results, both vehicles have nearly same ergonomic posture for each aspect, with the exception of a little variation in driver posture by ruler analysis result, which is Tun Saga BLM score an additional point in upper arm aspect, which is resulting in a higher ruler score. In terms of passenger posture and gasoline filling posture, both vehicles earn the same scores. As a result, both vehicles have the identical ergonomic stance. According to the result, the Proto Saga BLM scores slightly higher than the Nissan Grand Livina, indicating that the risk of causing injuries or diseases is very low if this posture is maintained for an extended period of time.